Welcome back, beauties. Thank you for coming back. If you are a returnee, this is your first time here, welcome. Please subscribe to the channel so that we can become friends. Somebody requested that I do a tutorial of how I achieved these lips on my model. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved it, please keep watching. I'll be using these two lip stains from Classic Makeup. I'm going to leave the names of the lipsticks in the description box because I can't remember what they are called now. I'm using the darker one to outline the outer corners of my model's lips. That will serve as my lip liner. So in this look, I didn't use a pencil to line the lips. I'm just using that darker shade to line her lips. Now what I'm doing is to slightly extend that line outside her natural V. At the outer corner of her lips, you can see that I am just gently extending that line outside her natural lip because I wanted this sexy sculpted lip effect. So I slightly extended it out of her natural V. Not so much that it looks unnatural though, just a little bit. After that, I'm going in to fill in the center of the lips using the nude shade. If you made it this far into this video and you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you can become a part of this awesome family, right? Now I'm using concealer to clean out her lips to make it more defined. Sorry, my big head was obstructing what I was doing. Okay, so I started from the outer corner because I really want that outer V to be very sharp and defined. So I started from that area to clean out and sharpen the V on the lower part before I go on to do the upper part. Once I get that outer V the way I want it, doing the other ones is going to be a lot easier for me. You can see that the lips is already looking well sculpted, even though I am not done yet. So when using a concealer, it's important that you don't go too light. I'm using a concealer that is one shade lighter than her to do that, so that it doesn't give a halo effect. It highlights and helps you sculpt, but not giving you an overly halo effect. Make sure to blend out your concealers properly using a blending brush, and don't forget to set it with a powder. That way the concealer is not going to move throughout the day. Then I'm going in with a lip gloss because I don't want the look to be totally matte. So I'm using my lip gloss and a blending brush to blend in what I have just done so that it looks seamless. It's important that you blend properly. Blend whatever it is you do on the lips properly. If not, you're going to have breaks and harsh lines and whatnot. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with somebody who might need it. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. Until I see you next time, stay safe and stay blessed.